Hi there. Today we're going to be looking at how to access SolidWorks certifications if you have your license through your university or your high school or etc. Now the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create a SolidWorks ID, and in order to do that you're going to have to go to this link my.solidworks.com, and over here you are going to press join. Now, once this page opens up, this is their customer portal. You're gonna say that you're a SolidWorks customer with a SolidWorks serial number, and go ahead and put your email in, like so. And in the serial number box, given that you haven't probably received your serial number in a CD box or anything similar because you have a corporate license, you're gonna open up your SolidWorks and you're gonna click on Help, and under Help you are going to hit About SolidWorks. Now this is gonna open up this window which basically shows you all the information that there is about the software, and it also has the serial number at the top here. Now you can see that it's hidden, and if you click on it, it's going to reveal the serial number, but because of privacy reasons I am not allowed to show you the serial number associated with my account. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this link, and you're going to copy the serial number, and you're going to paste it on here. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the next page where they're going to confirm all the information associated with your corporate account. Now, because I do have an account, I am not going to be able to show you what's in there, but I can basically tell you what's in there. Now, once you get past the information page, it's going to present you with a form where they're going to show you basically fields for your name, and your school information and stuff like that, and they're going to reconfirm your email, and then they'll ask you whether you would like to receive promotional contents from SolidWorks or Dassault systems, but I usually say that no, because I don't like my inbox getting so crowded. And at the bottom of the page, they're gonna tell you if you agree with our terms and conditions. Please read through the terms and conditions because they are important. You don't want to be doing anything that violates their terms and conditions. Now, once you've read and agreed to their terms and conditions, you're gonna hit complete, and that's gonna take you to another page that's gonna say that your account has been created, but it's not complete. You have to go to your email inbox and hit verify my email, or verify your email, I think, and click on that link to verify that your account is indeed associated with your email, and that's when your account is complete. Now, when you've created your SolidWorks account, and mind you, this is important because you can't access the information without, the exams without the account. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna look this up in Google, certification SolidWorks or SolidWorks certification, whichever one. Now, this link here is the one you're gonna click, SolidWorks/support/SolidWorks. Now, once you go to that page, click on Certification Center, and it's gonna open up this page, which is an important page. What we're concerned with in this page, however, though, is free exams for SolidWorks customers on subscription. Now, you are on subscription because your university is paying for your subscription, and you are in turn paying your university tuition, which is what they're using to get you this subscription, so you will have a subscription. You're gonna hit offer page over here, this blue link here. Please do note that you do need a valid customer portal login, which is what we just made. So you're gonna open up this page in a new tab. Now, this blue box here is your invitation code for the exam voucher. Now you're gonna need this code to be able to send a text message to a specific number. Now let me open this instruction up. Basically it says please click here to download the instructions. It's gonna open up this PDF here. I'm gonna put it all the way up for you guys to see. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna see all the exams that you can take. You're gonna be able to take the CSWA, CSWP, drawing tools, mold making, sheet metal, surfacing, weldments, and additive manufacturing. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna take your code that you got from the previous page, the invitation code. You're gonna put a space, and then you're gonna write down which exams you're gonna wanna write. If you want to write one exam, you just write down one. If you want to write down two, you put a space and you write the other two. Now you're gonna send this text to this number 617-795-3131, 617-795-3131. And once you send this text, there's a bot on the other end that's gonna be evaluating your text, and it'll send you a reply right away, and that reply is going to contain the voucher, the exam voucher for the exam or exams that you signed up for. And you're going to take this voucher and you're gonna write it down somewhere or have it on your phone. You're going to go back to the certification center, which is this page. Now you are going to download this thing here, Tester Pro Client. This is what will give you your exam and will mark your exam. So you're gonna click this and it's gonna start a download, and I already downloaded and installed the client, so I'm not gonna go ahead and show it again. It's pretty intuitive. Now you open up this Tester Pro, and you're gonna select your language over here. For me, I'm gonna select English, and we're gonna continue. Now you're gonna have to make a virtual tester user ID. This is super important because this is what they're gonna use to give you your certification. This is what everybody's gonna refer back to once you show them your certification. Now I already have a user ID, so I'm just gonna log in here. So this is what it looks like once you log in. You have all these exams that are here. It shows that I have no credit for them. That's because I haven't put in my voucher in. Once you put in your voucher and you hit submit, it's gonna show a dialog box that's gonna say your exam's about to start now. Are you do you want to go ahead or do you want to cancel? So if you go ahead, your exam's gonna start. If you click cancel, you can do it at a later time. Please do keep in mind though that there is a time limit to these vouchers. The time limit is listed in the text that's been sent to you, and that is how you access SolidWorks certification exams if you have a university/school license. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or any concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. And thanks for sticking around.